Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Darrell Addison and I'm a founder and inventor of a growing system called Torpedo Pot. It's a system that grows your food. We're looking at about 200 cucumbers being grown on the side of a small space that's only 19 feet. 200 cucumbers. We're looking at in each one of these planters growing over 100 okra. Totaling, we'll probably do close to about 700 okra. We're growing corn and we're growing peppers. The corn will grow up first. Then we'll pollinate it, hand pollinate it, and peppers will come after it. Normally in a planter of this size, we can do between 100 to 300 peppers. And from corn, we're looking at now growing 10 corn plants in one planter. So you should be able to do an awful lot. This year already, we've already harvested 50 pounds of celery, and we've harvested 28 pounds of lettuce. If we let them stay in these planters, we would have had a lot much more, probably 68 pounds of lettuce, but we chose not to. So I'm here today to assure you that my product, Torpedo Pot, can grow your food. And so we just harvested 30 of these cucumbers yesterday off of the vine, and they are so beautiful. Not one imperfect fruit, not one blemished fruit. Every fruit that it yielded was acceptable to your and my standards. What I mean by acceptable? You could eat it. And so that's what we do. We grow food. We grow lots of it. All you do is, again, put your seeds and your plants in these planters, and they grow your food for you. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, and I want to come out and I want to, show you how I prune my corn plants. I know it's hot out, isn't it? Dude, but just imagine, I don't have to touch the ground. I'm not out with a tiller and a trowel and a weeder. I don't have to do any of that stuff. This is the extent of my garden. I put my plants in the planter and it grows my food for me. So these will all be big and they'll yield a lot of fruit. So what I normally do, if I see small branches coming off the corn, I cut it off. I wanted to donate all of its energy to that main leader, and that's what I'm going to do. I've already cut about 5 or 6 of them off, and so I'm hoping there's one more that I can show you. So here's a shoot I had to take away, okay? I'm not looking to grow this. I want to focus the energy on that main plant. And even that beautiful. My Torpedo Pot can grow anything if you allow it. And the quality of the food that comes out of there is unmatched. It is unmatched. Truly unmatched. It's amazing how fleshy and beautiful that is as opposed to what you normally get. Man. But anyhow, so I'm going to sit this aside because I want to get rid of this, and I'll use it in my compost. Now, don't confuse your compost with your soil. Compost is for breaking down matter, and your soil is for a certain degree of depth that you have with your matter that builds up a new colonies of biological materials and biological chemicals. So when you throw your food in the ground, it's initially broken down by bacteria, or whatever the food is, because different foods have different components inside of it. So it gives rise to different fungal growth, different colonies. But once it's pretty much broken down, then you have a new colonies that always are rising over and over again, and they break your food down. So we use the fungus in the soil to grow your food, and that's why we're so successful at growing food. Yeah. Now these shoots could very well be potential corns, but I don't want them. I don't want them. There's one thing I want you to learn that our ancestors have done for thousands of years, okay? Thousands of years. For those who don't know, first, guys, these are torpedo pots. These are self-growing planters. They grow my food for me. All of my essential food is grown with my torpedo pot. All of my essential nutrients, I get them from my torpedo pot. They grow everything I need to grow. I don't need to grow anything else. It's growing my corn. We're looking at, oh my gosh, I don't even go through the numbers again. Look at the beginning of the video. But my garden is set. I don't have to work hard like you do. And I get more food than you do. Not only do I get more food than you do, then I can guarantee what my food's going to be for the next 10 years. Just using a torpedo pot. I can forecast my food supply for the next 10 years. Nothing to worry about. Let's prune a little bit more. I see a couple more I want to take off. All right, this corn is doing so well that look at all the shoots that it has coming off of it. Look at all the shoots that it has coming off of it. Isn't it beautiful? They just continually grow. And that's how healthy that environment is for these plants. It's very healthy. You don't see any deterioration. Full growth as you expect to see in every piece of fruit. It's getting back to nature, becoming natural. Yeah, we're growing. Our goal is to grow about 50 heads of corn in 10 feet. 50 heads of corn in 10 feet, unheard of. Torpedo pot will be the first to do it. Follow us. 50 heads of corn in 10 feet. This is not our full inventory. Our next video will be about the field where we have those big planters in the field. And they're doing their job extremely well. Darren Addison, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.